Wait, is this recording now? The record thing is on. I pressed this button right there. Oh, well then yeah. This looks like it's zoomed in. Trying to figure out
Hey, what up, what up, what up? Yo, you raggedy motherfuckers.
Wake the fuck up.
Wake y'all puss ass up.
Wake the hell up, Detroit.
This ain't Detroit. I went to it.
It's the internet. It's everywhere. Yo, what up, Detroit? Yo, what up, internet?
Yeah, he can talk about New York all the time. Who gives
I can talk about New York hip hop. This is starting. Okay.
Alright, well, let's make our introduction.
I'm the late, always great Philip J. Fry. Who are my co-hosts and henchmen today?
Today, Apollo.
Alright. That's bizarre again.
Yup.
See what I said on our last podcast? That's the last time you're gonna hear Thomas.
definitely gotta say
That's the last time you're gonna hear Thomas. By the way, this is Apollo. But yeah.
Who else we got with us tonight?
Yeah, who else we got? Come on up to the mic, Lil.
Don't be scared of shit.
Yo,
Come on.
what up,
And
Chris?
y'all filming too.
Hi.
Yeah.
KT, what up?
KT.
I'm Blackbeard the Pirate.
Blackbeard the Pirate.
Apparently, Blackbeard.
Dominic from BK all day. Dominic Brooklyn.
Yeah.
We got right here.
Do I gotta get out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, it's up to you, bro.
What do you not want to get up?
You gotta hear what the H is for. You gotta get up.
Don't you want to show them? You gotta show them the shirt. There we go.
Hello, I am Donald H. Penn. And the H is for
Phenomenal.
glorious.
That's not how the alphabet works, sir.
Alright, so that's Donald.
Yeah.
Like last but not least, most definitely. And this is Godflow presenting the Hangout. I am DJ, as you already know. And so last time we left off.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're starting this.
Yes, we're starting
last time
this
we
because
left
you
off.
committed blasphemy, as I repeatedly
Oh,
stated.
okay. Absolutely, that's fine. Oh, about how I'm gonna listen to Jay-Z's verse on
Right,
Yeah.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Stupid.
Help.
Clown.
This is where I die. God damn.
He brought this upon himself.
And the shirt you're wearing is blasphemous.
Yes.
Show
Show the camera. Show the camera.
I got this.
This is three parts. Hey, my shirt can wait 3 episodes. Goddamn it! If people pay to see 350 Shades of Grey movies, y'all gonna wait.
No, they're
to see
not.
this goddamn
No.
T-shirt.
Why you being
Oh, damn it, fuck you for that shirt.
Yeah.
You getting coward?
Who shot who in a what now?
Wait.
No, you.
Wait.
But let's get back to the Lupe part.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
You definitely
Why
said.
do you fast
Yeah,
forward?
why do you skip that? We
I
need
mean,
answers.
it's cool. It was
And
just-
no, you skip it, so it's not cool.
But why?
So why?
You get a lot of flack,
Why?
as y'all can see.
Why?
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 Why your ears remedial?
So
Do it!
You could have came back. You could have came back with the hook of the song. It's my life.
I never heard the whole thing.
see, this is what you get for the Lupe's part.
Wait, what?
Oh, I'm gonna talk about shit. I mean, for
We
me,
trying to take the pressure off of you.
I know.
Yes.
He's gonna replace
Yes. Yes. If you don't get out, so you get the fuck
Listen,
up.
Lupe.
Hey, yo, Chris, take a seat.
That's you now, man.
You got Joe Budden. You deserve it.
You still didn't. Nah. Stop down and answer the question.
Answer the
Come on,
question.
answer the question. Viewers would like to know, why don't you?
Yeah, why don't you like pressure?
I mean,
Right.
the song's good. The bar is dope. I get the metaphors and shit. I like the sewn in the jeans, Tupac, Biggie shit, but it was the God in '07, fresh out of retirement. Like, I don't care about anything else. Like, Jay-Z, I mean, Kingdom Come is kind of trash. But
It's a
kind of, I mean,
It's pretty ass.
Which Jay-Z now?
It's pretty ass.
Wow. Beat Share.
That was
a good
great.
song.
Beach Chair is like the best song.
Be share, Kingdom.
No, Minority Report. Minority Report. Awesome.
I like Mama I Made It.
Now I'm judging you for that. No.
And even you were saying that.
Look, be share.
family oriented.
Kingdom
It
Come.
makes me think about my grandma.
I don't know what life was.
Why you gotta make shit sad, bro?
Wait,
When
what
I
did you say
make it,
earlier?
I'ma cry.
There's like
About-
4 good songs on it.
No. About Lupe and Jay song.
Oh, about how he had a pre-recorded.
Yeah. So Pressure had the previous version, which was amazing.
Superb.
Fire. Very much.
So good.
God shit.
Yes. And then he threw
God
that away.
Literally.
Wrote more verses and had Jay-Z on
To
it.
please Jay-Z. Jay-Z probably told him.
Hey, yo. When did Kingdom Come drop?
07.
He did
When?
tell him. He said, you gotta scrap that shit.
Fourth quarter shit.
Because this came out September 2006. This is before he came out of retirement. And he got bodied still. He should have stayed his ass retired. Shit. All right. Hold on.
Before we go
Black
album or anything before that.
Well, I'm not. I'm just saying everything after that.
Before
How?
we continue, I would just like to say, Jay-Z, we actually do appreciate you and love your music. We're not shitting on you.
Don't come and buy all of our houses. Employers.
But you still haven't finished on exactly. You started, and then we got onto Kingdom Come. How it was trash.
Yeah.
You still haven't finished. How come you now?
Why do you skip it?
Fast forward through Lupe's part. You said 2007 he was out of retirement.
And and then he said it was good. Like he likes all this shit, but why do you skip it now?
This is 2008.
It's like, it was boring. Lupe is like Common, is like Nas. If you've heard the first 90 seconds of a song, the flow, the delivery is usually the fucking same the last 90 seconds of a song. Correct me if I'm wrong.
You're wrong.
Yeah.
Especially about
When Common, when
Especially about Lupe. We're not talking about Common.
We're not talking about Common.
That man-
Go Gadget flow was the fastest I've ever heard Lupe.
You haven't listened to much Lupe then.
Yeah.
Clearly.
Way back.
He hasn't heard.
I'm saying the way that song starts, literally the same flow finishes the song. Like, he doesn't switch it up. He doesn't do anything. Like, even Eminem, easily
Lupe
overrated.
switches it up over
All the time.
more than Jay-Z does.
He does switch it up.
Like,
I have never heard these
when
songs.
was the last time you
More
listened
than
to Lupe?
Jay-Z.
That's the question.
I hang with y'all.
That clearly doesn't answer that
I know.
Y'all play this shit.
I don't play Lupe here.
Right. I don't blast Lupe all the time. Lupe's in my ears.
I
man.
know.
I always
It's in my ear.
I have to concentrate.
I'm listening to Lupe.
Right.
I don't want to just hear him.
He's not like Jay-Z
wanna
where you
just
can
hear it.
kind of chill and not have to pay much
Lupe's
attention.
not party music.
It's not.
It's perfect.
It's not
It's
part
an
of
intimate situation right there.
Not for me.
Next time, one.
More people
When I say intimate, I mean like you
Nah, he's talking about sex, nigga.
By the way, thank you to Jonald
yes.
for hosting us.
Yep.
This is his beautiful apartment. Thank you very much for the instance and the other things.
I just applied the liquor.
Oh, I wasn't talking about the liquor, but yeah.
I was.
But yeah,
face is
so
on there.
shout out to John.
Right.
We're most definitely recording this at his place.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank
so
you for the
we-
beat too.
You haven't given us a good answer for that, but we're gonna move on to the next subject. Yeah. So the next subject is by the way, so I told a lot of people that know us that Beauty Bar. We were at Beauty Bar last week.
You all were.
Friday. Yeah, we were. And in our last podcast, we shouted out Beauty Bar because Beauty Bar is the shit. And that's what we did. And I told everybody how a famous rapper was at Beauty Bar, and that rapper was Chance the Rapper. So-
Chancellor Bennett was there?
Chancellor, yes, Chancellor was there.
Wow.
That's his real name?
Yeah.
Yes, that's his real name. You didn't know that?
He looked like he'd fight me. So
will
I'm
fight
not
you.
even.
Yeah.
Lupe will fight me.
He will fight you.
Kid Cudi, I hope
Lupe will fight you.
Kid Cudi, I hope Lupe will fight you. Remember that interview when Lupe was like, "I'm looking for Cudi, man. I'm telling you, I'm still looking for him." I love you.
West Side came out hard.
But yeah, so Chance was the rapper that was there.
Ah! Hey! Chance was the rapper.
Wow.
Chance was the rapper. Yeah,
That's
You should definitely use that.
Okay.
You should definitely use that clip.
That was that. So that just letting you guys know. So the next segment, even though he still hasn't really given us a good reason to fast forward through the pressure music.
Because Jay-Z
We should force him to keep trying to explain.
We got time.
In my personal opinion, Jay-Z's a better rapper, period. And I shouldn't have to defend.
He's not even close.
I said in my personal opinion.
I know, but like you.
It's like saying Rihanna's a better singer than Whitney. You can have that wrong.
Okay.
You can have that wrong opinion.
Like, I'm like, it's comparing.
You can have the wrong opinion.
Someone actually said that.
Okay, so John just told us that somebody actually
Yeah,
said.
you can say you like it better. You can say you like
Someone
the
on one of my
beats
dumbass
better.
friends' dumbass pages.
Really?
I don't know about
Yes,
that.
because it was one of those memes of one of them gotta go.
And someone said Whitney over Rihanna.
Whitney, Beyonce, Prince, Rihanna.
So
Wait, what was the first one again?
Whitney, Prince, Beyonce, Rihanna.
Bye, Riri.
Someone was like, Whitney gotta go.
Well, that's more of a discography.
On that note, I think it's time for us to fill my drink up. It's time for us to fill my drinks up.
Time for a new one.
We finna do that. All right, later. We'll be back.
We can go for a rap battle.
My wedding.
Alright.
Yo. So, we feeling ourselves. How's a drink? We gonna introduce this rando ass segment to you called Rando Ass Rap Battles. We gonna let Chris pop his shit and let y'all know what's up.
He definitely.
I just want to know who win between Oprah Winfrey and Whoopi Goldberg in a rap battle off Dead Wrong by Notorious B.I.G. I just want to know, they both sitting there, who will win? And what would they flows consist of?
I think Oprah.
I think Oprah wins. She got the Migos flow.
bars right
Oprah got Migos flow with Migos.
She does not have Migos
She had Migos flow.
Wait. So
Have a civilized conversation.
we can't have a civilized.
This is not civilized.
No, we can try.
All right,
So you started first. You said Go on.
I think Oprah would destroy her in the rap battle.
Why?
Because it's Oprah. Like, Oprah has some bars. Like, Oprah can talk. Oprah's like the mama of, like, the industry. Like
What
she,
industry?
Yeah.
the media.
So what you saying? She just gonna be throwing money at the whole situation?
That's exactly
I
what
got
she
bars.
She ain't got bars.
What she gonna be like? Bitch, you want shit since Ghost.
I got $3 billion. How about you?
She do
Wait, hold on. So wait, are we talking about Oprah Winfrey or Rick Ross? Because all this shit is following
By the way, Rick Ross. Wow. You know, what did 50 say? But no.
Too soon.
I hope he gets better.
Too soon.
It's funny. No, not funny, but it's funny this morning that I was listening to Rick Ross. I'm like, damn, he actually in the hospital. So I hope he does get better.
What you just say?
Oh yeah, you didn't know.
Yeah.
Rick Ross is in the hospital.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, he has a machine working his.
He has a life and things going for him.
Yeah, he you know, he doesn't care about regular people's stuff. He has other things to focus on.
I know, right? You in love, you happy and shit.
Right, he married.
Chilling, man.
He married.
You right.
You right.
But yeah, so that
Wait, back to the rap battle.
yeah, back to
Let's
rap
rap battle.
Talk.
I like Whoopi got that ghost flow.
Whoopi will
Whoopi got the
Whoopi will outbar her.
Yes, in the,
I believe
it's in the
that.
hell.
It's in the
It's in the
head.
hair.
So if you got the
And not have eyebrows.
She's aggressive.
So it's
Tell how she
it's
gets
Oprah
thing
and
not-
Whoopi. Is it Oprah and Whoopi or Oprah and Busta Rhymes at this point? Or old Busta Rhymes?
Ted Danson used to be Whoopi, so that turned her to an animal. So I'm gonna give my. She just let a white man beat her. She is savage automatically.
This guy.
Whoopi specifically, Oprah specifically avoided marrying a nigga for ages.
Yeah.
And she's still not married to him. She's still a billionaire. Whoopi is losing this Oprah is just gonna ether her ass like over and like every shit she gonna say. Oprah's just gonna counter with like, but where's your money though?
Next thing she gonna be Jay-Z. Whoopi's gonna be nice.
Oprah's just gonna 50 Cent her, and it's
He's
gonna be
gonna
great.
outbar her.
It's just gonna be great. So she's also gonna out-rap her. I don't view Whoopi as a good rapper. Whoopi would just like.
Her name is Whoopi, nigga.
That means
Her name is
That's a rapper
Whoopi.
name.
She wakes up with
That's a rapper
metaphors. That's a
name.
battle rapper name.
And she got lots
Goldberg.
Whoopi Goldberg.
The bitch got Berg in her name. Dreadlock.
Bird, my guy.
Dog got bars, bro.
I mean, they both
gotta
kind
have
of got
bars.
champion type names.
Plus,
Oprah Winfrey,
being a comedian, she got like
Winfrey.
no language and everything. Winfrey.
Goldberg.
Oh my God, he just said Winfrey.
right.
That's some slave names.
I'm just saying, man.
Goldberg.
One of a kind.
Yeah, I'm black with a name like Goldberg.
Whoopi will out wrestle.
No, you're not.
Oh yeah, Whoopi a bodier for real.
No, she
I
would.
agree with that.
Exactly. She out wrestle her, out rap her.
How?
And Oprah got money. She could pay the best ghostwriters, bro.
She can pay Gold. She
Oprah.
can pay Bill Goldberg to beat up
Whoopi Goldberg.
Whoopi Goldberg and call it a
What?
day.
Oprah
I can see
can
that
afford to pay Jay-Z and Nas to knife fight while physically writing her rhymes to the death. And sit and just smoke a doobie. That's kind of
You lost me with that one.
That's
What?
hot.
You didn't.
Always.
even smoke.
Ever since Dave Chappelle made the skill, I always wondered like, what would Oprah's, what would she taste like?
No.
What?
Oh my God.
That's not part of the discussion, guys.
I don't know what to say. It's her segment over.
Oh, I'm sorry. They might have to cut that out.
Just let her know.
Let's talk about the curve. Meeting a beautiful woman, and y'all think y'all getting it in, you think you click, y'all think it's a vibe. And then shit just go way left. She hits you with the curve. Like Sammy Sosa in 98 or Sammy Sosa in the Skin today. That nigga don't look like that nigga no more.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Looks like Chad.
Yeah.
Who
Who wanna say something?
talking hippie?
I'll take off. So I was 19. I already know. I was 19 and had just got like a nice job and everything, making some type of money. Got a cell phone, all of that. So I'm talking to this girl and she's like, yeah, come on over. I'm like, oh, cool. She like live off of 63rd and Loomis. I'm like, I know the area. I'm cool. Right. So like, I'm like, yeah, all right, cool. So I'm coming from work. I leave work early. It's like 12, 1 o'clock. I leave work. And so I'm like on the 63rd Street bus. I get off at Loomis. I'm like, all right. On the way there, I'm texting her. And she's like, yeah, at such and such place. I'm like, all right, cool. And she told my address. I'm like, all right, cool. And so I get off the bus. I'm like, yeah, I'm here. She didn't text back. I'm like, all right. She already told me where she at. I'm walking. I get there. I'm calling her. Nothing. I'm like, all right, let's go.
No.
I'm like, all right. So I call her again. I'm like, no answer. Meanwhile, throughout this whole situation, I'm texting her too. Like, I'm here. I'm here.
Did she respond to your texts when you said you're here?
She never. I never got a response when I said I was here. When I was on my way, I got responses. But
Yeah.
when I said that I was here, never got a response. And so I'm like outside for like a good 20 minutes, just walking up and down the block.
That look shady as hell on 63rd.
Over there. You walking up and down the street.
I told you I was familiar with the area.
I'm familiar with the area, but
You were familiar with the block at that point.
Yeah, right. Like I never noticed that patch of grass before. Yeah, and so like that's the most curved I've ever been. I was 19 and stupid.
She did that shit back to you?
Hell no, I ain't never talked to that
Yeah,
bitch
you still
again.
waiting for that text.
Hey.
He never changed the number. He never changed the number
Same
since.
number, goddamn.
Goddamn.
But actually, I do have a different number.
No, you don't.
No, I don't actually. Oh shit.
I know.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't have a different number.
Oh.
I
We
don't
still
have a
waiting.
different
You
number.
can see this
Still-
podcast.
he said-
So if you
So
see
whoever
this
you
baby
are-
girl,
Fuck
already
you,
know.
cause you bogus for that.
Kenny, wait. What's the hardest curve you got hit with?
I can't even think of one. So I'm nervous when I talk to women, so I don't talk to women much. But Tinder is kind of the place where I've kind of been, and like we was like I don't know who it's, well I don't know, but whatever, it's Tinder. We were having a long ass conversation about like concerts for like a couple of days, and then we brought up brunch. And I brought up a spot around my neighborhood, not even trying to like yo that's where we should go, just like talking.
Yeah.
And then nothing.
Oh man.
Nothing.
Oh man.
Like just didn't say, oh yeah, talk to you later. Just yo, yeah, brunch. It's wonderful. And then nothing. And like, yo, it was like I guess you don't like brunch or some shit like that. Because it was like bitch don't like brunch. Right, bitch don't like brunch. Bitch don't know. That's over anyway. Yo, maybe that was a curve, a wishful thinking curve. I got curved because
So,
she don't
like-
fuck with brunch. So fuck her.
Yeah.
Like that was weird. Like we was trying to talk about food, and it was like nothing.
So one of the best curves I ever saw in life, right?
Oh.
In life. This is like
Not
y'all
one
ever
that happened to him.
for
One
a
that he
treat.
saw.
Yeah, this
Like-
never happened to me. Like the hardest curve that happened to me was just getting a fake number. That's about it. Whatever. That happens to everyone. I don't give a fuck. Anyway, but the hardest curve I saw in real life that didn't pertain to me. So you know how like you do your farewell hug, right? To like everyone, like usually people don't have a problem with that. So I was at a place and one of the guys that I know was one of the other people that we both know. He was like, all right, I'm out of here. You know, he did the standard nigga extend the type waiting for the hug. When I said, she hit him on the shoulder, said, "Aight," and turned around and kept walking and talking to the person she was talking to. Like, and this was just a farewell hug. Like, how are you curved so bad where we can't even hug
Yo,
you?
she hit him with the right pal.
Yeah! So I was on the ground for like 5, maybe 10 minutes. Like I was dead. I've never seen anything like that before. I've only seen it in movies, I think. But god damn.
That's a good one.
I've never seen a curve like that happen, like that I would think would happen. Like I've read about it and I've laughed at it. Because like I'm like, oh, that's never gonna happen to me or anyone that I know. I was highly mistaken. Holy shit!
Oh my goodness.
That is amazing.
It was wow.
That poor man.
How about being there, being with the woman, and you get curved like right in your face, like in your face, Kamehameha type of curve.
Wait, Chris.
Come over here, Chris. Let the people see.
I was talking to this girl. Long story short, she was at her grandma's crib. She stayed all the way. Her grandma stayed all the way like on 89th and shit. I'm traveling from all the way west side, so
West
it's
side,
like
west
a
side.
fucking 2-hour trip. So I get there, man. Long story short, we finna get in the jam. You know, I couldn't get up. So her grandma started making all this noise, and she gonna use that as an excuse. And she was like, "My grandma making a lot of noise. You gotta go." So it was after hours. I didn't know if the bus was running. I didn't know if I was gonna have to walk home. I mean, walk to this train station because you know rail line always runs.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, 89. I'm like, man, I'm over here like it's already hella shady over here. I'm from the west side, so I'm thinking everybody, oh man, everybody look. So I'm already outside, limp dick, like. I'm like, man, please, bus, please come. I don't even know if I had a phone or not. I think I just went over there off the strip that I was gonna get some. And then she curved me. Then when I got home, she hit me up the next day like, yeah, you know, we should be friends. And I'm like, huh? For what? I didn't get up. So I was sitting there, I was explaining to her like, man, look. Like, I was a shorty then, so I probably was like a little more sad and a little weird. So I was hitting her with like, man, you should give me another chance, man. I promise you I ain't gonna blow it. I just couldn't get up last night, man.
Wow.
I was heartbroken. I don't like a week. For like a week.
I can't even
We still cool.
Like my story is boring compared to them.
Now she hit me up. She hit me up sometimes like on some, you know, hey, I was like, yeah, hey.
I remember your ass.
No, we good.
I remember what you, buddy. Oh no.
Me?
Man.
No, I'm just.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how you man.
You know what? I had it happen. Let me help.
Yeah, we got about
Yeah, we
2
got some
minutes
time.
before our next
Oh,
shit. Go ahead.
Alright, you mentioned limp dicks and shit. Ooh, you gave me the hiccups, bro. You fucked me up.
I've been fucking you up all night, huh?
that verse, bro. It was this girl I met a couple summers ago. And long story short, I wake shit off. I'm like, we can cuddle. She's like, nah, I like to cuddle with my kids.
Okay. On that note, we will now take a break.
Yeah, my story ain't gonna compare to none of that. Like,
That's a curve. That's curve and shade,
I
nigga.
feel.
Is it bad that I just picture myself with a rocket launcher hitting the bottom of that shit right now?
See, this is the thing about Call of Duty. Stop playing.
No. That's fucking Grand Theft Auto that I'm thinking about. This is where you steal the boat. Nah, I still that.
We covered from talking about the curve game.
Yeah, that was a little bit intense. So,
And what we're finna do now is we just finna wrap it up.
Condom.
Yet again, thanks, John. You said condom when I said wrap it up. Anyway, we're gonna yet again thanks, Donald,
Thank
for
you, John.
hosting Godflow presenting the
and
Hangout.
for the beat, you want to shout out your SoundCloud?
Yeah, go ahead, son.
Nah, I don't want to do that because the name is long as fuck.
John Penn Rodgers.
That's the European.
Wait, no, it's Kenny.
Yeah,
Kenny
that's the-
Rogers.
What?
Kenny Rogers, SoundCloud. And Cloud.
So don't listen to the guy.
No.
Don't listen to him. He's dumb. He's just dumb.
It'll be in the description.
It'll be in the description.
If you're
down
interested,
there
it's
somewhere.
SoundCloud /John with 2 N's, Penn
No.
Rogers.
It's gonna finish it on the next
You know what?
episode.
Excuse me.
Link.
Why are you talking about?
DJ, just put a link right here. Like, annotations right there.
We can do that as well.
This is the annotation right here.
Annotations to outside sources other than YouTube?
Okay, and what we're finna say, it's like, finna say goodbye to everybody that also appeared. We got KT, Dom. We gotta ask you, nigga. Step up. Introduce yourself. Step up.
There ain't no man, nigga.
I don't even know his name.
I don't know. This is the first time I've seen him.
Then we got, thank you, Chris, for
Homie Big White.
especially his contribution
Chris.
to one
Yeah.
random freestyle, which will now be a permanent part of our fucking podcast,
Yeah.
and also his limp dick. And then we got our downstairs neighbor,
Black Bear.
Yeah. Black Bear.
Black.
Okay.
Black Bear.
Black Bear.
I don't know
why he got
Black beard.
I heard Black Bear.
I heard Black Bear.
Black Bear.
No, it's 3 people that say
Black
Black
Bear.
Bear.
AKA
Black Bear.
AKA Brownies.
No, okay.
BK
Black
Sound.
And with that, you have listened to Godflow presenting the Hangout. Thank you,
Yes.
and I hope to see you next week.
Later.
Wait, how do you see them?
With our eyes.
This
What's the hoe?
shit is ratchet.
I don't know if it was going that entire time, but let's see. Y'all, it's still recording.